Hello all. In this video, we will discuss about multi-row variable set and how it can be created in ServiceNow. For example, we will take a scenario of new employee onboarding and see how we will create a multi-row variable set in this particular catalog item. So I've already created a catalog item named new employee onboarding with no variables, like with no variable sets. And you can see I have created only one variable requested by. So when I go to the portal, and open the catalog request, we can see there's only one variable which is requested by. So now I have a requirement to onboard multiple employees, new employees onto an organization. So let's see how we can do that with multi-row variable set. Now let's go back to my catalog item, new employee onboarding, and see there's a tab called variable sets. Now let's create the multi-row variable set. Click on new. So here it will ask whether you want to create a single row variable set or multi-row variable set. Now click on multi-row variable set. Let's name employee details as a title of the variable set. Okay. Details of the new employees. Save it. We can keep it as one column wide or two column wide. It's up to us. I'm just keeping one column wide as the default layout. Now let's save it. So the multi-row, you can see the type is multi-row variable set. It has been created. Now we need to add variables to the multi-row variable set. So first variable, like whenever you onboard a new employee to an organization, so the first would be like we'll be asking the name. So let's take the variable as first name and last name. So new variable would be first name and last name. So they will start with two variables. So the first field would be a single line text. So let's take it as a first name. No, yeah. So I am keeping the orders 100, first name. You can see the name it's populated automatically, and let's save it. So first variable is created. Now I need to create second variable, last name. So I'll just take the order as 200 and last name. Now save it. Now two variables are created. Let's see how they appear in the new employee onboarding catalog. So when you refresh the page, you can see we have added the multi-row variable set. You can see that first two variables are there, first name and last name. So click on add. Here it will ask, like as we kept one column wide, it will ask for the first name, last name. Okay, so just type in able tutor. And we can add another user. So requested by Surya. So click on order now. So let's see on the RTM. Let's get the RTM and see how it appears in the native view. Okay, so you can see we have added, like we are onboarding two users, Able Tutor and Michael Jackson, and requested by it's my name. Okay, so now I have another requirement, like I want to add like a particular department for the user. So now let's take a reference, add another variable called department in that same multi-row variable set. Okay, so now I will add a reference. It's a reference variable department. Okay, and we have a department table, cmn underscore department. So now select, give the orders 300 and save it. Now let's go. Let's see and check how it appears on a new employee onboarding form. So you can see department has come up. So able tutor. The department is referring to the department table. So we can select any department and add it. Okay, so that is for the reference field. Now I want to add the date of birth of the employee. So let's take a example of date variable. Now I want to create a date where it should give it should be the date of birth. It should be asking for the date of birth. So let's take the date field. So date time, date of birth. Okay, now save it. Okay, now let's go back and refresh how it shows in the new employee onboarding form. Do a reload. Okay, so the date of birth has come. So let's add one row. Able tutor and department, finance, date of birth, some past date. Okay, so add. Okay, auto now, check out. You can see, you can take the RTM and check it. When we search it, it shows up. Okay, so you can see the first name, last name, reference variable, and a date variable. Okay, so that's how we can create a multi-row variable set. Normally, it's always used to do bulk requests, like adding like multiple requests at a time, like onboarding multiple people into an organization at a time on single request. So in that scenarios, we use multi-row variable set. That's about multi-row variable set. Thank you.